Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by assessing your hair quickly. Check porosity, breakage, and trim over damaged ends now. Once trimmed, reduce shampooing to 2-3 times per week and choose a sulfate-free hydrating formula. Rinse with lukewarm water. Apply conditioner from mid-lengths to ends to seal cuticles and prevent friction. Use a wide-tooth comb while conditioner's in to detangle gently. This prevents snapping. These first steps lower moisture loss and set the foundation for deeper repair. Once the basics are consistent, move into deeper repair. Apply a protein and oil mask once weekly for 10-20 minutes to rebuild structure and add emollients. Make sure to rinse thoroughly, then use a lightweight leave-in to maintain hydration throughout the day. For daily sealing, apply 1 to 2 drops of oil only on the ends to avoid greasiness. When styling, keep heat under 180 degrees and always use a heat protectant. This prevents cuticle damage and preserves the moisture you work to add. To finish, lock in gains with consistent maintenance. Schedule trims every 8 to 12 weeks to remove split ends that travel up the shaft. At night, switch to a silk or satin pillowcase or wrap hair to reduce friction and moisture loss. Refresh between washes with a light hydrating mist and a dab of oil on ends. If frizz persists despite this routine, make sure you're not dealing with product buildup. Use a gentle clarifying shampoo once a month and reassess your product.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.